Okay, so today we're gonna get planting our little Osoberry here and our little mock orange. If you came on our little road trip up to the native nursery, we're gonna start planting those little native shrubs, and we're gonna be putting the mock orange right about where I'm standing, and this little Osoberry is going to go right beside the rose. The rose is going to have like white flowers, and this little guy has white flowers, so it's kind of all the same. This little guy is very sparse too, so he's not going to encroach on the rose at all. He's one of the earliest bloomers that we have here in this area on the island. So this is a very important little shrub for all the little emerging bees. It's really handy dandy for the hummingbirds early in the spring. We just want to start filling this area in here. So we're going to put this little guy right in there. So yeah, we're super excited to be getting this in the ground. This beautiful little tree with its white little blossoms. So Junior is a little mock orange. Also, this one's native to the area here. So this gets a really nice white flower at the end of spring and early summer, when all the other spring flowers are gone. So it's really great to have all these flowers starting in spring and going right through till summer. And of course the rose is going to be continuously blooming all through summer. So we're going to have a white flower display going on over here in this little area. The little Osoberry, he's fast growing, a multi-stem tree or shrub. So this little guy, if he's in the sun, he will grow denser and taller. And if he's in the shade, because it's an understory tree, so if you put him under a tree, it'll be more of a sprawling shrub and sparser. But here he should be a little bit fuller and taller, which is exactly what we want, so that's perfect. So the little plums that this guy produces, they are edible, but they're very bitter, so probably better left for the birds, but you can try them. Yep, they're perfectly edible. I don't know how delicious they taste, but I think the birds might prefer them. So the mock orange, so the flowers that this guy is going to get, they're beautiful white flowers. They're a sweet smelling blossom. They smell very similar to an orange blossom. That's why they're called mock orange. I think of a lilac shrub. So this is going to get to be 9 feet, up to 12 maybe if you let it go, but you can trim it the same as a lilac. And it's a vase shape. You can take out the old kings like you would on a lilac. They both like moist, well-draining soil. So up here on the hill is a perfect little location for them. And they'll get lots of compost, and we'll make sure they're taken care of up here. So I'm gonna go get my supplies, pull these wood chips back, and start digging so we can get these little guys in the ground. So you can see the roots here are really good. Not too tightly packed there. Might just loosen that a skiff. Okay, so that's how I want it. And the reason is, it's growing straight up here. And I might snip these ones after it's done flowering. I might snip these front guys off, because I don't want it to be a shrub, I want it to be a tree. I can't plant the front down anymore or he'll be drowning in the back. So what I'm going to do is mulch up around the front really good, and then the roots can decide where they want to go. Make sure that's all worked down around the bottom of the roots there. Don't want any air getting in there. Those are going to get kind of big, but I do want them to grow together. Maybe right there is just fine. I'm going to give you a close-up. Just wanted to give you a little shot here of our little mock orange just starting out, and can't wait till it gets growing. And beside it here, of course, is the Osoberry with all of its dainty little white flowers, all in blossom, and the bees just love it, and we'll keep you posted on both of these as they grow up. And that's it for these two, so we just wanted to give you a shot there of all these beautiful flowers. We'll keep you posted. We'll give you a little update when these are further along. So thanks for popping by, and we'll catch you on the next one.